Hi Caleb, this is Ben. I just wanted to thank you because you
bentolosa.com
made this amazing video about a rolling stand for your boom microphone, and that's a problem I had for a while. So let me show you my version, but I think your video is much better and you explain it with more detail than mine. But yeah, let me just show you what I did. Okay, so this is what I've been using, what I built thanks to Caleb's video, and I'm gonna show you each piece individually. That is the rolling stand I'm using from Avenger. And that is the 1/4 adapter and the Rode boom arm, and that's boom microphone. And that's it. Thank you so much, Caleb, and I will continue to watch your videos for years to come. Thank you, man.